Okay, in this video, I want to talk about the Washer method. So if a function given x equals y squared, x equals 2y, so those two curves, something like this, and I'm about to rotate this region about y-axis. In order to graph those two functions, actually you can solve this for y. So you can write y equals square root of x. Just take the square root of both sides. So y equals square root of x is a curve like this, right? So this is the curve y equals square root of x. And next is like y equals 1/2 of x, so it's just a straight line. So this is the region. So I'm about to rotate that about y-axis. So I will end up with some solid like this. Well, just notice here the inside is hollow. It's hollow out. Okay. So I'm going to put some disc. I'm going to slice this into a bunch of discs. So each disc is something like this. Because the inside part is hollow, so I will have hollow disc. So in order to get the area of a hollow disk, I have to use pi r squared minus small r squared. This big R is outside radius of this disk, and the small r is inside radius of the circle. Okay, so again I use the volume formula. And seeing the volume equals the integration from now here this is 0 in order to get this intersection point, so I have to set y squared equals 2y. Okay, so y squared equals 2y, y equals 0 or 2. So the integration is from 0 to 2. So here y equals 2. Pi, the outside radius of the circle. So here if you put a rectangle here, sorry, so if you put a rectangle here, this is a rectangle and this is inside radius, this is outside radius. So the outside radius is 2y because from this is the center to this point is the outside function. So the outside function here is a straight line, so which is 2y, and you have to square that, subtract the inside radius, which is the curve here, so which is just y squared, and square that, and this is 4y squared, this is y to the 4th. So in the end, if you integrate this, you will get 64 over 15 pi. So for Washer method is basically just similar like disk method. You're going to slice the solid into a lot of disks. However, the disk you get is hollow inside. So in order to get the area of the hollow disk, you need to use the formula pi big R squared subtract the little r squared. So the big R is outside radius and the little r is inside radius. And those radius are just the two functions. So you need to plug in the two functions into the formula and to get the lower limits and upper limits of the integration. That's it. Alright.